Oh, here's the boys in Quail jail. They're doing pretty good. Sounds like George forgot that it snowed. He might think he wants to go outside again. We got two boys and that one down there, and they seem to be doing pretty good. Knock on wood. Hope it continues and stays that way. This little guy's by himself, so I don't think he and Poppy would do too well together. I don't really want to separate out any of the girls. So I think these guys will be fine on the porch till spring. Did I hear a Georgie cat, huh? You thinking you want to go outside, buddy? Really? You sure? Okay, I'll open the door for you. Let's see. Okay, where are we? There you go. You sure you want to go out there? Are you sure? I don't think you're sure. I think it's better in here, buddy. Yeah, it's a snowy one today. They said it was gonna snow, and it did. Not too much. It'll probably melt off here a few hours. It's supposed to start raining, so we'll be back to normal. Uh-oh, I think George gave up. He went in. He's gone. Silly cat. All right. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you're having a good day. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye for now.